The unibody pickup truck that has had its name officially revived is now called the 2024 Rampage. The original Dodge Rampage was a unibody subcompact utility coupe that rode on the Chrysler L platform and debuted for the 1982 model year under the Rampage moniker. South America will soon have access to the brand new Rampage 2024 pickup truck, built on the same chassis as the Fiat Toro. Test spy photos were spotted in the US, but the pickup isn't coming to this continent. The hope is that the Ram 1200 or Dakota will be ready to compete with the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz. The official teaser video reveals the 2024 Rampage's updated exterior and interior styling, including the digital instrument cluster and touchscreen. A complete revelation of the powertrain is due later this year, although a 2.0-liter turbocharged Hurricane 4-cylinder petrol engine is a strong possibility. See the official teaser, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.